But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over outside. So I'm happy I got free. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Hey guys, it's Kaleb Becker here, and welcome to TheBeckerVlogs again. Today, we're doing a project for my school, and it's called Disguising Your Turkey. We also have a ruler, we have a paper, we have a normal white paper, we have colorful papers, and even more white papers. And then we have something that we have to read inside of this gameplay. So let's keep on going. Dear families, your child's job is to disguise this turkey. The poor turkey doesn't want to be eaten for Thanksgiving, so he or she needs a disguise. Using items that you find around your house, dress the turkey up so that he or she won't be found. Completed turkeys are due back by 11-21-19. Please feel free to make this a family project. The turkey thanks you for your help. So,
let's get to it.
Okay.
Alright, so I think the first thing we need to do is maybe cut him out.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the kit, and you want me to cut him out or do you want to cut him out?
That's okay if you cut him out.
Alright, I will cut him out for you. Alright, so you want to talk to them while I cut this out?
So anyway, since my dad is cutting this out, let me talk about this turkey thingy.
Tell them about what you want to do.
So what do So I think that we are gonna make a turkey that is a pilot that's flying an A380, but I'm not pretty sure if we could draw that airplane because that might take up all of this table, and it would probably have to be 3D, to be honest with you. So. Should I tell?
Yeah.
So anyways, I have an idea. So I think that we should print out the A380 on computer. Like, so it could be printed out big, like that, and it won't take that much time. We are very lazy people. Hashtag lazy. Okay, now let's keep on speed building.
This will be fast forwarded. Alright, so we're looking for an Emirates A380, and we're going to look for very high resolution. So large resolution, and we're going to go with the best picture that shows it flying.
Ooh, look at this one.
Let me see.
But how do you accept cookies?
So we're gonna put them like flying it,
And
then we'll put like a jacket on him.
Yeah.
With a hat.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's do this.
Background out?
Yes.
That's gonna take a long time though.
No, it's not. All right. Ask your mom for cardboard. All right, guys, so we just printed out. What kind of plane is this?
Emirates.
What kind of model?
It is the 380.
This is a 38, what? A380 Emirates plane, and we're gonna go ahead, cut this out, put it on some cardboard, and start getting our turkey ready for aviation classes. See you in a bit.
Okay, Mommy. Can I have some cardboard?
We don't need this box anymore, so we're gonna cut this out.
They're cool.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna lay them across here. Get these edges off. Come on, bud. You need to help me. This is your project. I need you to find on your iPad pilot suit. What pilots wear. Alright, come on, sit down here next to me. Come on, help me find a pilot suit.
There's many of them.
You need to find me the best one. Has to be an Emirates one, right?
There's no such thing as an Emirates pilot suit.
There isn't?
There is, but there's only one of a kind.
Can you find it?
No, that'll take too long. Pack it on. I have glue too.
Oh, perfect. We need glue. Cab, look.
Oh my goodness!
This is your great idea.
What about the silver tape?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. So this is Caleb's plane, and we're going to glue it on now. Alright, Caleb, so this is what you're going to need to do. You need to be very careful. You can't rip any of this, right? So you're going to put glue all around. And this is Caleb's favorite drink, sweet tart.
Frosty.
Be very careful, okay? Start from here. All over. Even on the nose.
That one?
Yeah.
No wonder we had cardboard.
Hey, don't bear down so hard, because you use more.
Now glue it down to the cardboard. Here we go.
Now, we're going to cut this out. Be very careful we don't hurt the plane.
I stick on this tape on it.
Yes.
Is that good?
Perfect.
Yes!
All right. Where's your turkey at? And let's find. We got him a hat. Cut this guy a hat. I'll put a hat on him. Kev's cutting the wings out, or not the wings, the feathers out. I'll get those going a little bit.
This one is so big it can actually be a mini daddy. Look at it.
Be careful.
A few moments later.
school project video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye!